Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect your Xbox controller to your iPhone. First, let's get ready. Make sure your Xbox wireless controller has sufficient battery charge. It is also a good idea to update your iPhone to the newest iOS version to ensure the best possible connection. Finally, navigate to your iPhone's Settings application and enable Bluetooth. These simple steps will prepare both your devices for a smooth pairing process. Now, let's put your Xbox controller into pairing mode. Begin by pressing the large, illuminated Xbox button in the center of your controller to power it on. Next, find the small, circular pairing button located on the top edge of the controller, usually near the USB-C port. Press and hold this button for about 3 seconds. You will notice the Xbox button on the controller start to flash very quickly, indicating it is ready to pair. With your controller in pairing mode, it's time to connect it to your iPhone. Go back to the Bluetooth settings menu on your iPhone. You should see Xbox wireless controller appear in the list of other devices available for connection. Simply tap on this name. Your iPhone will then attempt to establish a connection. Once successfully paired, the Xbox button on your controller will stop flashing and remain solidly lit, indicating it is now connected and ready to use. Finally, let's test your new connection and cover some troubleshooting tips. Open any game or application on your iPhone that supports external controllers to confirm everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your iPhone and the Xbox controller can often resolve them. Also, make sure your controller isn't trying to connect to another device, like an Xbox console. You might also check for any controller firmware updates using an Xbox console or a Windows computer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.